music is back in Mindelo, cultural capital of Cabo Verde. For much too long, the streets were deadened because of the pandemic. And someone else is back, making some noise. Peter and Lily from their Atlantic crossing.
Okay, we're on Peter's boat. He's back. He's back with his chicks. Marisa.
Snap back there.
Lily. And of course, Peter's like, running around back and forth as usual. There he is.
There I am.
He's busy installing a wind turbine he brought back from Europe.
Yeah, te vergogna la mia spillila.
I was trying to hide this thing on my mouth. Doesn't make a great impression.
Here we are with Peter and his women. Lily and Marisa.
I'm getting this wind generator going. If it f***ing kills me, which it might, there's a chance of this. It could kill me. I gotta try and get in here and find a wire. You don't want a beer?
No!
Peter's neighbor Willie was impressed. He wants enough kilowatts to keep his beer near freezing.
Okay, we're gonna stay here with the girls and the beer. Oh, this sucks. This is way less exciting than I had pictured, like when I was on the internet researching this shit. It seemed way better, and now, look at it.
He's got his,
Yeah, that's my backup wind.
Yeah, he's got his generator, so he doesn't have to borrow mine anymore.
It burgers twice. There's a lot of wind here. I mean, there's nothing but wind.
Nothing but wind.
This is not a good time to, this isn't bragging times. 40. You know what? Here's the thing. It's pretty much almost as good as my solar panels in the brightest part of the day. So, I mean, I can't argue with this.
And in the evening, Lily invited her friends she had not seen for a while. You gotta respect Lily. She can not only dance and is a future TikTok star, she crossed the Atlantic. More than 3 weeks with 3 burly Canadians. Respect, my BFF. Meanwhile, back at Wendy's place.
Vito's doing a good job, man.
I'm doing a very good job.
He's doing a very good job with the help of a little bit of ganja, but man, look at that. This is great.
I like it.
Huh? He's getting there slowly but surely.
I don't know.
We took the pallet planks down the street to a wood shop. There, Vito gave instruction on how he wanted the planks so he could work with them. There are several stools to make, and a couple of tables and benches. Yeah, he sure can be funny sometimes. And Claudia, well, he rescued a pigeon. A few days ago, it was not looking so good for that wretched thing, but Claudia resuscitated it with water and leftovers. Now for the final artistic touch under Wendy's watch. Bear with her, she was also recovering from the flu. The sports fishermen were back also. They bring big game fishing tourists that employ locals and as well, sometimes feed them. We all went away with about 10 kilos of fresh marlin.
Nice.
I'd never tried it before and was told it was not that good of a fish to eat.
Catch, man.
Well, to me there's only one way to find out.
Brought a big chunk of that blue marlin to Wendy's mom, Alcinda, and Wendy. This is like 5 kilos worth, and I kept a little chunk for myself. Maybe like a kilo. And I'm gonna try it out here. I think it's kind of like swordfish. It looks awesome, so I'm gonna try it. What I gave to Wendy and her family, probably can feed family for like, several days. And for me, well, here it is. I'm trying to sear it and see what it's like. Like a nice swordfish steak, man. My mouth was watering. Looks freaking awesome.
Every weekend, the Marina floating bar comes alive. Before the pandemic, it was mostly foreign sailors who drank, ate, and talk about boats and fishing. Same old stuff. But the pandemic had a positive effect. The bar had to adapt, so they attracted locals with music and dance. And this is the result. And as it often happens, the fun is carried over to me and Galopin. I have a hard time saying no. This weekend was a special musical one. The music is playing all over the city. And our friend here, Jean, fixed his rudder. He's not as much of a fan of the loud music playing. And he was heading out for a second attempt to reach Dakar, Senegal, so he can haul out his boat. He's been wanting to go there for years, literally. And now his boat, Aléane, was finally on its way. And now back to more music. The city was hosting a new musical event called the Atlantic Music Expo. It highlighted Cape Verdean artists with 2 stages in the streets for the whole weekend. As well, there were workshops and discussions, DJs and dance. And all of it was free to the public. This is just a small taste of what was on the menu. Cape Verdeans have come back with a vengeance.
Você pra me tirar a hora de não mais.
It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.